Otherwise, grind, Mate.
I'm all good, sir. How are you doing?
The grind now. 4 out of 4.
Oh, okay. You bese athi andikuva ka uthetha ukuva.
The 4 out of 4, yabo. And izinto zihamba kakuhle man, yabo. Akho nto ingako yenzekileyo. But I just had a feeling yoba namhlanje bekunokwenzeka kuba singashoot, yabo, because from ekuseni kum, yabo, kungathi ibikhona into ibizawundenza ndicommit kuyo more than le, like into zaba serious, yabo. Yeah, but kwenzeka kuba sishoot because I think eyona episode sishoota late le compared to ezinye.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah, no. Of which ke ekugqibeleni sithi esashoot. No. Yabo le nto yenzayo yile usive ebesixela ngayo uba andikho sure uyibonile la comment about energy.
I mean, Usive is overseas, so
Usive yifanda yethu alo.
well, angafumani into mna but
Yeah.
I can't say the same.
Yeah, iphi ingqondo yakho because ungathi khona indawo ocinga kuyo.
No, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, akho preparation ikhoyo ngoku, yabo. So we tried to restructure ishow nje a bit, yabo. So eyona question esizoyiphendula soyi-2, yabo, is what was driving your mind during the past week, or driving your brain, or driving your whatever, yabo. So yeah, nje kanjalo.
It can't be one thing, too. Like it's a series of events, and since it's a series of events, I can't just pick one. If I pick one, I'll be doing a disservice to other events. But if I can think from the top of my mind, what was driving me, it's always discipline, man. It's always discipline. Even if I act on discipline or I cheat on discipline, it's always discipline. I always come back to discipline.
But kwisense yoba okanye ke maybe maniphendule mna ne, then uzobona maybe xa umzekelo bend-expect okanye umzekelo iphendule kanjani, yabo. Because kum yinto yoba during the week, yabo, into ibisoloko ikum entloko ibinto edibanisa ne-health, yabo. So ndiyajima mos ngoku, yabo. Yeah. And ke ngoku going back to la previous episode about i-discipline le yakho uthetha ngayo, yabo. So yinto yoba akho lula to make sure ba u-disciplined enough for ukuya ejimini, yabo. Yeah, and more especially kumntu ofana nam obengayithandi into edibanisa nejim, and more especially like ijim uyiyeke ibhola, yabo, but ukuya nje straight, yabo, ejimini. And I would make fun, yabo, of ijim, yabo, and when sitting normal, like it's not into that I would do mna, yabo. And into yayo ijim yinto yoba how can I make myself not skip ijim, okanye how do I keep motivating myself uba mandiye ejimini, yabo. And then one of the things endiye ndabona uba okay it can help, yabo, ndiye ndafumana iscale, yabo, iscale, yabo. Yeah, so that ukwazi uziweyisha, yabo. Then xa uziweyishayo you'll keep like uzawufumana i-track of i-weight yakho, yabo. Yeah, but into ebi-fascinating about isi skali esi, and andikho sure uba bayenza kanjani futhi, is that it does not only measure i-weight yakho, it also measures i-body fat, yabo. It also measures I think i-body fat, i-muscle, I think i-amount of muscles onazo, andikho sure ubana according to what, yabo. So i-body fat, ibe muscles, and then hydration, of which your water intake, yabo. And then enye I think i-bone density, by bone density, yeah. Then imeasurishe ke ngoku ne-amount of calories umzimba wakho akwaziyo ukuzibreaka down in a day, yabo. So ibinto yoba like iscale ndisazi ngoba simejarisha iweight yabo, and I can maybe reason okanye maybe try and find indlela yoba bayenza kanjani lonto leyo yabo. But when it comes to uba imejarishe i-body fat yakho, imejarishe into le i-body fat, ibe hydration of which amount of amanzi asemzimbeni wakho kunye ne-muscles yabo, plus nale ye-bone density yabo. So iye yanibonisa uba no man, i-technology like ikude kakhulu yabo. So yeah, ibiloo nto. Andikho sure ngokubana do you have something to say from loo nto le?
I do. At the same time, I don't. So just because, yeah, this will be an interesting conversation. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me here. So just because when you were fascinated about a scale, so
Yeah.
what it acquires or what it have, like a component there and the makeup there, and
Yeah.
what you thought it was
Yeah.
till the day you saw, but it's actually about ezinye izinto, not what you thought about. So maybe you should have changed indlela obuza ngayo, questioning, but in your answer
Yeah.
you expect such an answer. Because now I told you about discipline, about how I cheated on discipline and how I continue using discipline as my way in life. So yeah, that's where I stand. I don't have anything in particular like that's related to finding a scale that it measures.
No, okay, so it's more like ibiveki yonke ne.
Yes.
Then ibinto yoba ubucinga nje ngediscipline and kungekho mzekelo specific uba maybe kwa mzekelo ubungekho disciplined kule ndawo ithile okanye nje ubucinga nje ngediscipline as a concept.
No, discipline is more than a concept. It's an act. It's a way of life. It's how I live.
Yeah.
And also, somehow, to mention like how I cheated on discipline, I can't tell you that.
Yeah.
Because as easy to, they are much more personal and more dangerous, even to myself.
For sure.
So I can't disclose such.
Yeah.
And yeah, like if you're young, it's been about that. Remember, I'm still at school, so I have business finance submissions and tests, and I have to start. I'm able to come into your platform and tell you that I sometimes procrastinate, which is something that I think we should talk about.
Procrastination.
Yeah, we should talk about procrastination, cool, because it's the underlying fact under izinto ezininzi somewhere somehow that leads to ezinye izinto. You would find yourself while you procrastinate.
Yeah.
Like you would find and lose yourself at the same time.
It's tied to le nto ye-discipline usoloko uyithetha ngayo because procrastinator. Yeah man, and yazi akhona amaxesha apho ufumanise ukubana you procrastinate without knowing uba you procrastinate because uye ushifte i-focus into enye into that's not really being lazy or whatever. Like it's more like umzekelo kufuneka wenze i-physics yabo, but wena usuke ube fascinated about i-natural science yabo, but i-deadline eye-physics ikulindile apha yabo. But wena uqonda uba no man ufuna ukwenza more of i-life science yabo. That's also a form of procrastination because we always think of uba i-procrastination into yoba instead of ndenze i-physics umuntu usuka lale okanye usuka abukele imovie okanye asuke abe phandle, but uyakwazi uba because uyayazi uba la physics inzima okanye uyayonqena but usuke wenze enye into. That's also sort of like educational and also helpful kuwe yabo. But in terms of ixesha ngoku you need to face la physics, but when you just shift ifocus yakho uye ngapha ya yabo. But ke imake cause okanye imandibuze cause esi scale I think besi exciting yabo, and ke ngoku I would love to hear input yakho uba how do you think like basenza kanjani into yoba ikwazi umeasurisha amanzi alapha ku, and also ingaba into of having a scale can help ube disciplined more in terms of kuya egymini.
Okay. You know, for how a scale works, I would like to take a simple example. I'm sure Masbulele would know. He definitely knows. When they're measuring his samples, ne,
Yeah.
they use his scale. Like his scale, they vary from. It makes his as fun. You have so many scales out there that are being used. There's a scale esisetshenziswayo kwa-food science and technology. So esa scale into eyenziwayo uyakwazi to measure a certain component or something while using an instrument to carry it, right? Meaning, like if you would have like 2 spoons, instead of saying 2 spoons of sugars or 2 spoons of salt, like what mess is that when they resort to milligrams or grams? So bayakwazi usebenzisa i-container, ne, bayibeke ku-scale, then measure that container. Right? I forgot bayisebenza njani, but there's always a button that is called tear, a tear button. So that la container bameasurisha ngayo, right, bafake something, but I forgot bayenze kanjani. I'm sorry about this, but I remember just this is just recalling, but to relate it to the scale, because they measure the container on its own, then by record messy container, and then they put the container back, then something. Then I think you can tear manual. You can tear the weight manual, which is minusing about using a subtraction to get
even because I think ubana
now automatically icon
so that ignore weight of the container and only focus on lendo incha.
So
if I give
I think we make there were test runs like that were taken, but I can't say much because I think mhlambi kuyobeka umuntu pub without consuming anything, then kubeka umuntu after consuming and yonke lonto, then ibe kwenza into eyi-one. Yeah, it's nice that you have us talking about the scale. I didn't think we can say anything.
No, it also goes to lendaba le discipline and also motivation and as our vision boards. Yeah, because I think if we as weisha maybe on a weekly basis or after 2 days or 3 days or so, then izawuba khona la motivation izawubane ipopa in yabo. Let's say weisha lo 40 kgs and then pity phofu get depend on igoal yakho ibifuna uthini. If ufuna udrop yabo ungu 40 kgs, then after 2 days uthi gqi ungu 42 yabo. Then ke ngoku uzawurealize bana no man kufuneka ndiphinde ndibuyele back egymini yabo, instead of esa spark ebesethe ngaso last week sibane sivela nje once after let's say mzekelo lo 6 months le, then uqonde mawuye egymini yabo. But having a scale endlini and then actually using it, I think for mna izawuba into ezawubane iba constant uba no, if the goal yam is to have let's say the certain weight and then I can see ubana I'm going above ngoku, then I would be like no man, umuntu ufuneka aye egymini.
Yeah, for me when it comes to scales and weight, I think
what ngenye imini we should talk about health.
Not today, simply because I'm not ready and I don't want to lie, because I would be lying if I want to talk about health. Like I want to find myself like in practice of being healthy, like healthy diet and all that. I'm not there yet, ne? So I would be doing injustice to talk about health while I'm on the other side. So I feel like I have to be part of it so that this was like show to each and every concept of health, right?
No, ayoba into yoba like phofu imali phofu ayo concept or something manje uyayazi into yoba ube ne opinion about something ne then after ixesha ube ne total opposite of lo opinion le.
Leyo yenzeka, but for me, like ezinye topics I like unzima like to become a conversation of or to be part of them,
Yeah,
because you don't participate. Like I feel like if you don't participate into a particular concept, I don't think you can give enough intake.
but don't you think uba especially with ones in health we are participator without participating
I know
actively. Yeah.
So yes, but I'm not there yet. I have a diet that is absolutely nonsense. If you can like bigger up, then people who are well educated about what to eat, and they would say, but okay, that is not safe.
Yeah.
That maybe in 5 years Lomdu will be down, like they'll have body mass or body fat or whatsoever. So yabo into zinjalo. If mhlambe I was in practice, I wouldn't born mhlambe I'm into this, then I would tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, to talk about the bad side of it, but like, I don't think now you would want to expose yourself by it yako injani. This is what I eat. Nyani
Uzo generalize it's like
it's for me it's a no-go for me. It's a no-go up until, it's not saying I'll be better then, but if ndiyayibona like I'm practicing it and I can tell the difference between the two. Remember, I have one side which is the bad side.
Yeah.
I need the other side as well. Even if it's ndiphakathi kwazo zoyi-two, mhlambi I work out, then a healthy diet, then I cheat, yabo.
Yeah.
Which is eating the wrong food. Not necessarily the wrong food, the food that I'm not supposed to eat, yabo.
Yeah.
So I think then I would like speak my mind, yabo.
Then sizezoyipaka le ndaba le health.
Yeah.
And benifuna ubuyela back to lento le of bane opinion about something okanye ufumanise kuba
Okay.
ustanda on something and then jiki uye ku total opposite yayo, like it's like uthathe 180 yabo. And abanye abantu because ndawubuya kule yam, abanye abantu bathanda uyenza kakhulu kwinto edibanise ne Christianity kunye nobu atheist yabo. Ngikho sure uyamazi is it Richard Mabonga, but ikhona like fumanise kubana ebe umfundisi then a preacher straight wajika straight, and not necessarily abe atheist but ufumanise kuba abe non-believer yabo. And bakhona nabanye ebengezo like ufumanise kuba umuntu ebe ngeyo non-believer yabo, then ufumanise kuba ajike abe believer.
I think Londo Tetangayo is only qualified by particular and certain events that are taking place in one's life. So when as a spectator, you can't necessarily say like we're shocked, or you can't necessarily make remarks. I think you have to go through, or if they can, nabo, if they have shared. I think Londo, it's mainly part of events that have occurred, no decision that person has made.
Yeah, but benifuna ubuza kuwe ingabi khona into okhe wathatha kuyo 180 okanye nayo ufuna ungena.
No, ayikho. Like I'm still flexible, man. Like le environment like lento tienza, which is what I don't know. So yeah, ayikho. I can't think of anything. Right. From your side, you can't when you
like endathe 180 kuyo yile dance no gym.
Okay.
Like we are gym straight. Yeah, and funa uxoxa bendijima ibhola yabo, but ukuya ejimini like uye ku-treadmill uphakamisa insimbi nayo yonke loo nto leyo, kum it was like hayi, it's not something endinoyenza yabo.
Yeah.
But ke ngoku as umntu ekhula yabo, you find uba andisadlala ibhola kangako, but I do need to keep myself active.
Yeah.
Yabo. And it was sort of like inevitable for mna uba ndiye pha yabo, because uyafuna uba fit but ke ngoku laa nto ubuyenza ngoku ubumncinci yabo awusakwazi uyenza yabo, and then bekufuneka ndizihambilishe ndihambe nam ndiyokwenza ikhadi yabo, ngena ejimini and wenze laa nto wawuqonda uba awuzuyenza yabo. And sometimes in life kufuneka uzenze ezo decisions ezo and not stand kwinto, especially kwizinto ufumaniseka uba ayikho bad yabo, it's just that ngoku in terms of lifestyle yakho yabo awuyithandi yabo, but uhlala kuyo till forever, even though uyabona uba no man iza kunceda le nto le yabo. So somehow kufuneka umenze la 180.
Okay. And speaking of making an 180 kanye 810, I think the safer way to do that is within you. If mhlambe you're transitioning from a certain individual to another one, ikuwe londo, it must be within you. The saddest thing is like as we live as people, like if mhlambe you want change, you want to include kwabanye abantu to change, and then you find out they don't want to change with you. So I think zezona into ezibhlungu ezenzekayo ebomini ezo, like to mhlawumbe ungafuni uthatha ijourney on your own, ufune mhlawumbe since when you've experienced the good journey, mhlawumbe ufune ufaka abanye abantu to the same journey as you are.
Yeah.
And you find out no, people are not interested, which is fine, by the way, because as you get to live your own life and you get to make your own decision and you get to be motivated, whatever sort of motivations you get or you come across as you live as an individual. So yeah, it's not bad, it's not good, it's how it is, by the way.
Yeah, so I think that's itsho kakhulu uba akho formula in life yabo, but zikhona ezinye izinto ufumaniseka uba as majority yabantu siyazi accept uba okay, abantu should be sort of like taking care of themselves yabo. Then eyoba umuntu uzodecide uba uzawufollowisha or not, still nakuleyo yabo, dependa kuye.
Yeah, I think those should be one of the least worries one has. But in a sense, let's say mhlambe you're trying to bring people to your journey where you know ba for you it worked so well that like ikususe nasezindweni like that were difficult times in your life. So I think it should be your least worry to bring along a man. I think people should be just sparked by your essence or your presence, so that it be within them that they follow you, not the other way around. Yes, it's nice to like go to someone and talk to them, then ubabone and now they've actually changed. But to have an impact on them, knowing that you didn't do a single thing. Yes, you were doing something, but you didn't actually go to them. And it's quite wonderful.
Then, because kuleyo ne, I think I can agree like kubantu are not like close kuwe so. But then when it comes to close friends, like let's say when there's something yabo and you think it's beneficial yabo, awukuzame to sort of like convince a friend, like let's say ucinga yenza into engekho right yabo, awukuzame to convince a friend yoba no man, change your ways, wenze kanje and whatever, okanye usuke nje umyeke and hope uba uzawufinda i-ways.
Nah, lento ndicho again, like it should be your least worries, but yeah, as a human form, as a human being, you get affected as well yabo.
Yeah,
you get to want to be there, but lento ndicho but if of course they are aware yabo, and now you should
I think they'll pick up.
Yeah, now you would you would change for better, knowing that you were influenced just a bit. Like ingxaki ile nto ndiyitshoyo uba for a certain group or for certain people, somehow it's exhausting to go and tell people about, okay, this and this is not supposed to be like this is, yeah, that's exhaustion in its own. It's not about giving up, okay, but
Yeah.
they make you tired. And being on the other side as well also takes so much from a conversation. And if you have an island, then you have two people besides that island and across from that island and across from each other. So imagine if how information is passed, how information is received. We should also consider that. That's why I'm saying it should be your least worries, like to bring people along, or to try to convince abantu about, okay, this is not the right way.
Yeah.
Life is experimental, no? And it's said that as any experiments that they are eternal. So
Yeah.
you would go for experiment etile, then you lose your life. You experiment something, then you become part of that thing forever. Like abanye abantu, they can't change the situation, because they've actually went for, like, nalanda buyithetha of risk taking. Taking a risk can lead you somewhere. Like you can take
Yeah.
a risk now, then usifumane uhleli kwenye indawo. I wanna reference, or I wanna talk to people are gonna think I'm beefing with this guy, Sive Klogashe. I'm not beefing with you, but I just don't care about you. So, cause he said, but I saw on the comments where he said, okay, I'm inspired by movies, so, and all that. Yes, movies are not realistic, but I know the concept of movies. Sive. So there's this song that last year December, it was made by Nas. It's called Junkie, right? So, but it's poetry, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna talk about rap and the rhyme scheme and how the song is beautiful or not. It's a
Yeah.
boring song, by the way. Don't listen to it.
Hi.
So no, I just want to paint a picture. Glendo City time. So Glendo City life is an experiment. Some experiments, they land you where you don't want to be at, and then was no scope. Even if your family members come and reach out for you,
Yeah.
so this song just basically embodies being a junkie and also glorifies being a junkie.
Okay.
Glorifies it how Nas is not talking about being a junkie. He's talking about how addiction can make you perfect life.
Yeah.
Not perfect to life, but perfect to life where you are. Like
Okay.
being addicted to something, you become a junkie, right? And then Chloe junkie, like everything is just miserable for you. You can't do anything. You can't work. All you do is rely on is the addiction now.
Yeah.
So he wrote a song referring to being a junkie, but he said, how can you like quit something when you are in love with it? Like it's difficult for people to cross the river.
Yeah.
So but Paglango, the main idea of the song is just him explaining his love for something that he's addicted to.
Yeah.
Calling it, he's a junkie to it. To la art form athetha ngayo pha.
Yeah.
So Lenon City ke ngoku, to try and save is exhausting. I'm not saying it's wrong to go on there and advise people. I'm not saying it's wrong to actually want people to change along with you. But as life will say, people get to fall, people get to pick themselves up. So yeah, that's a touchy subject.
And because I feel like it's sort of like inevitable, especially with close friends.
No.
Yeah. With close friends, somehow you will advise and try and bring along a friend towards el side yabo eli wena maybe ucinga fana ba libet. So I think leyo nto leyo it's common nature yabo yeke yoba uhambe around upreach for abanye abantu, but when it comes to close friends abantu like othetha nabo on a daily basis, and when you bounce ideas ngapha nangapha, even if let's say awuyenzi directly but uyakwazi uku-influence umuntu yabo, and it's not a bad thing futhi yabo, because ikhona le nto ithethileyo ubana ithina, how do you lose something you love? Ithini, you said it ngoku about le ngoma le lekanazi yeah,
like how can you quit something that you like really love?
Yes yabo, but ke ngoku what if le nto ithandayo is sort of like bad for when you love it but it's bad for when.
That's why look, it's called an addiction. So
you can't even nakanjalo. Yo.
But okay, what are you addicted to?
Mna?
Yeah, if I can ask you in terms of addiction, I'm not talking about drugs or alcohol whatsoever.
Yeah. What am I addicted to?
Yeah.
And go by addiction
It can be something good. Don't think about it as something bad.
Yeah. Yeah. So izawuba yinto ongakwazi uyiyeka.
Yeah.
Basically. Even if awuyenzi on a daily basis, singayibeka kanjalo.
Yeah.
Addicted to.
Be careful now.
No, I have a problem because I'm leaning towards your hobby also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your hobby, and I think this is into that I doubt when ngaye kuzenza yabo, which kodlala ibhola yabo. Yeah, udlala ibhola and also chess yabo. I can take a break kuyo, but I always go back.
Yeah.
Yabo. Of which ke zona I doubt maybe ngafika ku point up when ndithi ndiyafuna uziyeka unless izawuba into yoba kuthiwe i-bad for wena okanye ufumaniseke ubana ndine injury yabo. So ke ngoku ana choice apho, but kufuneka ndiyeke actively. Maybe ke ngayibukela kakhulu okanye ndihambe ndiyoba yi-fan yabo, ndibe on the side yabo, but I doubt uba ngafika kwi moment apho maybe inyanga okanye ulife wam ndingagilani nento edibanisa maybe nebhola or chess. Yeah. Wena intoni?
For me, it's the first word I said, not the first word I said, but the first concept I laid on the table, which was a discipline. Yeah. It's been my addiction for the longest time. I feel like funeke like udlule ezintweni for you to accept something. That's why I can't talk about diet or like going to the gym and all that if I'm not into it. So I feel like you must udlule ezintweni, then you find something, find a concept, find a gym, find a healthy diet, then you can talk about it as much as you want. Because once you're not a part of that, kubanzima to be expressive towards it.
And futhi kule discipline, I think like xa trying to get discipline uthetha more on the behavioral side.
Behavior, how I think, emotionally, physically as well, and socially. I speak about discipline in every corner that it has. So I try to test myself now, like kwezinye izinto. I'm on a quest to find hobbies, because I actually see around like people that I'm involved with, whether it's my colleagues or with you or anyone in general. I'm gaining a lot of interest in having hobbies and making a thing and a theme of how I should build my life on. Because yes, you can do whatever you do, but I feel like hobbies are are so much a thing that if you go without them, somehow, if you give yourself to something that you do so much, then it disappoints you. I feel like you have nowhere to go back. Like, let's talk about work. Like, let's say you are stressed at work, like all those things.
Yeah.
So I feel like when it comes to hobbies, we should nazo been a discipline within them. It can't be just. I'm not calling hobbies like ruthless or cruel. I don't want to say that. Even if they are as bad as they can, but within them they have to be like the included discipline. Like zibe we pace now we form where one can survive. Yabo unga choni kuzo, then you forget about your work. Obviously, they're important. So much so that they are much more important. So I'm on that quest to find out to find new hobbies to develop as izinto.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I'll be breaking your leg or to break a leg and then it's to any expression but I don't know if mhlawumbe I'll be insulting you, but nalena siyenzayo apha has become one of my hobbies. Like
it's not an insult because now I'm your hobby.
Yeah.
It's not an insult.
No, I remember, when was it? On the past episode, I talked about you handpick me wherever you are. So in but once you have an engagement of people, they would want to know like a backstory. And also, people have been waiting for a hot seat, where you are being interviewed.
For sure. What's this? We did try it no Sive, if you remember. But kwane a problem the camera or whatsoever, but usive will correct us, because khona ngoku kwayelapha, I think sa shooter maybe 10 minutes, then kwaba kwi problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise mna ndisoloko ndikhona, if ready then singayenza.
It's funny how there's always a problem when it's with something that has to do with you.
No, if we're ready, you can crack up your questions, we prep, because there's nothing to prep.
Oh, okay.
Now, and then science.
No problem.
Now, but you might, because as can it's showing place of food. Let me just check it first. Okay, 41. So maybe around 30 something or so. But kule tingathi injani le unprepared what because siqale phofu niyaqala ngento edibanisa ne-scale so then sahamba saya obviously ku-discipline, wenza imizekelo the-addiction, then saya nakwinto yoba mna ndiza nini kwi-hot seat,
and also changing like a group of people with you, allowing like giving advice and all that.
Exactly. So injani unprepared?
For me, it's nice to be like caught off guard sometimes, just to get your quick reaction. Even if I'm giving out secrets, even if I give you an answer, I'm not saying I'm doing this. Check we human life, check on particular humans when you're talking to them. Like when you catch them off guard, then you ask them a question. Always check their eyes. Always check their reaction before they even tell you something. You would get your answer before they even say anything. So
because into endikapeleyo mna kakhulu is that le iye iline towards on personal experience ndingekho prepared. And ke ngoku because nawe uphele usithi uba I must be mindful on i-answer yam so ngoku bundibuza nge-addiction yabo, and then at some point ngobe ndikubuza, I think ikhona into endibuze ngayo but wathi you're not willing to share yabo. So unprepared izawulina towards into edibanise nobupersonal so yabo, and ke ngoku andikho sure if si-ready to go to la route leyo because unprepared, prepared yona yabo I would say kulula because ikhona guide ekhoyo yabo but ke ngoku when it comes to lena ke ngoku umuntu needs to ukuya phaka kwela side so that the conversation izohamba.
For me, yazi, for me, I like to challenge myself. I'm always comfortable now.
Yeah.
To some degree. I'm always comfortable. That's why in CT, check facial expression. Even let's say you're not doing this with me, you're doing with someone else, like something that is unprepared. Catch them off guard. Check the first reaction. Because and you know that it has been studied. Like mannerisms to behavior if I give out an answer like I did go to work yesterday like izinto ezinjalo like but andiyazi about why and our body with our minds yenye nje art form enga understanding that bayisebenza njani. Like if you would ask me now something very personal, like yes, I'm not going to tell you how it went or how it is, but my body reaction will give you it.
Oba ikona into maybe that you are holding back.
Yo, I don't know. No, that was an example. That was an example of body language. Like
so, Londo, it also falls na kuwe. It's not like you are immune kuyo okanye uzamini uzitrainer wena to not show.
We're all victims of that. We are all victims of it.
Yeah.
Like borrow me 100 rand now. Like let me go and check. Like I would have seen your face, but le checking you are coming back with an answer. But yes, I called. You told me.
Uyojonga umuntu matiye bikhona okanye
no I'm not condoning ubolekisana ngemali. I'm not condoning ubolekisana ngemali, but I was making an example about body language yabantu. Like you would have seen nyane ebusweni bomuntu but khabe ndo ijonga nyane bayikhona nyane. And then they say they don't have it. Then at some point ba surprising xa uyifumanayo. Okay, athi ina nansi 100 rand. But ucinga bahamana. The first reaction nje anike yona was akazonika yabo. Then
but that's what
but even watch them ngaxa bekunika ba okay ina nansi like please bring it back.
Uthini ngoku about bring it back?
No. Like we are born and like uthi bring it back in time. So yeah, but I unprepared. I didn't think it would go as indlela bendicingele ngayo nam. But if we were born and how we started, I was like, I'm waiting for you because you're the one who said let's do it unprepared.
Ucingela kanjani we?
No, like I was just gonna go as he sends iqhubeka. I wasn't gonna bring up new ideas. Remember, I think it works if it's challenged. Like if mhlambe I have to construct into ngokwam, then somehow I lose meaning. Like if you give me an idea, right? I'm gonna talk about ibhola ngoku, just to show that nam dinayo input or intake. Like if unipasela ibhola, right? You give me initiative, about how I should work. Then remember, players needs of who to give and who not to give. Remember, you can make or create or destroy a platform, a team, if pass yako is not it's not successful. And someone will agree with me. Even if I pass a ball to my player in the team, that pass is construction layer. Like he build up. It doesn't necessarily mean if you pass a ball to your teammate, it means that you've created something beautiful. Because you can bugela ball. Like whenever you bugela TV,
and you bugela nyani bhola.
Ever you bugela TV, I'm like it's a social experience. It's one of your hobbies. Like you, if you try to do it, then it will be interesting. Like bugela apart from a TV set. Like we are born now and but okay, go Barcelona, how room to open. But from Payana, while you are a player, uchonge pants, like you can only see so far. Like you can't necessarily observe the whole field. but players are very good. They are very good. They know what to do. But for me, if ngawubekwa pha, mina ningashawutisa e-TV, ngawupasela ubani, pasela ubani. Mina nibekwe pha. Mina into endiyaziyo ukhaba ibhola ibhekwe la cala, that's all I know.
Yeah. And one of the things xa uthanda ngebhola I doubt noba bendiyenza futhi nam yabo because andikhange ndiye kwi-academy yabo.
Yeah, that's why you're retired.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ukuskena yabo. By ukuskena made yinto yoba like le uyithethayo yoba wena ungaphandle yabo uyalibona lonke ibani yabo. Xa usebaleni yabo kukho into ekuthiwa kuscan yabo. By uscanner yonke ufuna ukuba ujonge uba okay ku open pha and then ukwazela uba xa ufumana ibhola uyazi uba uza kwenza ntoni yabo. And lo nto andikhumbuli ndifundiswa kakhulu yabo. And nam that's why ufumanise kuba kuye sometimes kube nzima to 10 yabo because awuyazi noba ukhona umuntu emva kwakho okanye akekho. And ke ngoku the more ubani uyidlala ke ngolando le like the more ubani udlala then ibe second nature laa nto uyayazi uba okay kufuneka usoloko uscan. And abantu they talk a lot about uMessi about ukuwokha kwakhe yabo. Khona amaxesha ubona uba akabaleka kathini uyawokha nje qha yabo.
I think
then he explain uba kuthiwa uzama ufunda igame
somehow. Okay, let's not talk about Messi. Because I was going to say maybe he's getting paid a lot that he doesn't have to run. I can imagine if someone tells him, run.
Yeah.
Angafika abaleka aphume ebaleni. Ayeke ibhola.
No, but yeah. Not once anokuskena I ndiyayithanda because it's not something endandifundisiwe and ngoku kulo 5-a-side wam like ndiyathanda uyenza ubona ujonge uba ungathini nabo. And also that's why nyani ke ndiretirishile because bengayenzi lo nto
No,
le.
being retired is not a joke. Say like once you retire, you have experience. But once people retire, they talk a lot. Like, don't talk while you're retired.
So yeah, is it something oqonda uba funeka siphinde or should you just stick to
Either
indlela
way,
lethu?
either way, I'm fine.
Yeah.
No, it's not that I always have something to say. But once you pass me the ball, I should know about where am I standing, how to create an opportunity, how to create something creative. Yeah.
Then ke ngoku even if ke ngoku ezinye izinto funeka uzicreate kufuneka uye kwi-personal side.
To reference from your personal life is always a good point because it's something that has happened. It's something that is like it's nature, man.
Because kum into endirealize leyo yoba kuba lula to talk from a personal experience but njengale ndlela uthethe ngayo wena yoba you're not ready to expose into yabo because nam zikhona ezinye izinto that I think ba no andinothetha ngazo yabo. So yeah, I think that's it Mate from icala lam but singajonga nje phaa ixesha khange ndijonge kathi uba andisithini.
Yeah, I think we're good now.
What you good? Yeah. Now fully goes guys.
No.
Yeah, I think because in 52 parts, so I think it's about around 40 something, of which yeah, be unprepared and sawubona izaba njani. Yabo, ucinga title is out in.
We do this class English. We tell them a story, then sibaxeba. But they always
in 52.
They will always go to a theme.
Yeah.
Or themes that were mentioned in the story. If the story was about crime, if the story was about love, if the story was about family, if the story was about soccer or whatsoever, or they would choose a main character, then name that story. That's what we do. But I can't do that because I'm not a learner.
But we can use Londo Leo as up like from the conversation, ibindoni like main ndondon.
Yeah.
Main theme.
No, bezininzi. That's what I'm saying. But let's teach abantwana English. Sibanika story then they create i-topic for esesitulo.
No. Sawubona uba ndizayibiza ntoni. But yeah, thank you Mate. 4 out of 4 at least no sawufika pha kula 5 out of 5 wakho for next week. Apho ubuzile ubana is it half full or half empty?
Yeah, and I hope Siva doesn't comment here. Yeah.
Uyamxotsha.
Yeah. Don't comment here because I'm Siva ndifuna uSiva up. He talks a lot overseas. Like talks a lot. Ndifuna ahlala up.
And yazi ebeke wathi beke wathi like akazange wanayo i-sit down nawe and he would love to have one.
Ndiyayifuna nam.
While ndizoyenza ibe virtual.
Okay.
Yeah, ndizoyenza ibe virtual.
Akho ngxaki.
Yabo, even if because time difference I messed up yabo, so even if let's say umzekelo izaba late, you are willing.
Maybe even if when he's on holiday.
Yeah.
Even if
Holiday yakho next year.
Konqak, I can wait. Waited for so long for ezinye izinto.
Ngathi match.
Yeah.
Ngathi i-WWE promo.
Like it's gonna be an interesting one. Ayo nxa kuSive is an intellectual. Sive is very smart. Is very organic.
Yeah.
And he can put a lot on the table. So and abantu bazamenjoya too. I feel like if virtual, okay, let's do the virtual one, then do the in-person one as well.
Yeah, we can do it virtually, even if it's like 30 minutes.
I just hope as long as knows about right the audio and all that. Because once I listen to something, then the audio is I don't pay attention to it.
We did do one no Sive virtually. Audio yakhe was simple and phone clock yabo. Eyam yayi bit shaky also. Of which silungisile ngokunedwanse ne audio, then I think that's when it's laptop. So because in terms of camera, but yeah,
I use the same
one. Now, but yeah, zizoyenza le match yenu sibone bizawuthini. Otherwise, thank you Mate.
Thank you so much.
Sure.